This is my Tissot Seastar 1040mm that I bought more than 6 months ago, and what I've learned is it's extremely accurate. The quartz movement is a HAQ or high accuracy quartz, which if you don't know, HAQs are accurate to plus or minus 10 seconds per year, and I'm getting around 1 second advance every 3 months, so about plus 4 seconds a year. It's so accurate, I use its time to set my other watches. By the way, I'll put an affiliate link in the video description, so just a usual disclosure that I can earn a small fee at no extra cost to you if you make a purchase. If you do pick one up, it's extraordinary value considering it's rated at 300 meters or 100 feet water resistance. Check out its slim profile. Normally, when I pick up a 300 meter dive watch, it's quite a bulky, heavy piece, but the Tissot Seastar is very elegant and slim. There's assigned a screw-down crown, and the screw-down case back is very flat and helps achieve a case thickness that I measure at almost exactly 10 millimeters. It's on a 20mm wide bracelet, and the lug-to-lug measurement is around 45-46 maybe. Notice how the end links angle straight down as well, so you get the full benefit of that short lug-to-lug measurement. The next standout feature is the bracelet with solid links, a polished profile down the center, and a brushed finish on the outer. Quick release spring bars allow easy strap changes. It has a solid milled clasp component here. This part is stamped, but it's done so well that it looks milled from about here. That's because it's got a very defined shape, unlike the jelly mold looking clasps that you normally get from the stamping or pressing process. 3 micro adjusts allow a good fit, and there's nice Tissot branding here to remind you that you're wearing a Swiss-made watch. Taking a closer look at the 316L stainless steel case, there's vertical brushing on the sides, and it's polished elsewhere. Quite a slim profile to the rotating bezel, which is super grippy and has a very positive and accurate feel, and aligns perfectly with the seconds markers on the dial. My watch is the blue colorway, of course. There's also a black colorway and a gold accented colorway. My blue dial watch has a very deep blue. It almost looks like wet oil paint, which a camera might not depict for you. And then there's that fantastic matching blue bezel insert, which unusually is a mineral bezel ring. I'm hoping it will pick up a few scratches to perhaps give it a vintage Bakelite look over time. The crystal is scratch-resistant sapphire with double-sided anti-reflective coating, which really works well. A flat crystal will suffer if the anti-reflective coating isn't sufficient, and I'm pleased to report this one is highly effective. It's like a piece of completely clear acrylic. The hands and indices have super luminova, and the dial isn't overcrowded, nor is the lettering oversized or in your face. Its subdued styling makes it versatile, I think. What I mean is, I have other dive watches. I like my Seiko 5, but I'd change it if I was going out somewhere nice to eat, so that I don't look like a brute. I mean, it's not very subtle. But if you're on your hollypops, you could wear the Tissot in the water, at the beach, and not have to change it when you go out in the evening. Adding to its all-day wear appeal, the 40mm Tissot Seastar weighs in at only 127, maybe 128 grams with 3 links removed, which is how I have it sized here to fit my 7-inch wrist. It's about 123 grams with 4 links removed and 134 grams with no links removed.